All right, today we're going to go over lesson 18, written exercise D. Before we do, let's go ahead and go over our vocab. A simple sentence contains only an independent clause. So this sentence does express a complete thought. A compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses. So we have two independent clauses that can make sense all by themselves, but are usually connected with a comma and a conjunction. Next, we have a complex sentence, and it has one independent main clause and one or more dependent clauses. First sentence, the Lord fully enables the one whom he calls into special service. This is a complex sentence because it contains an independent main clause and one dependent clause. Number two, he does not always make life easy, but he does provide his grace. This right here is a compound sentence because it does contain two independent clauses, and these clauses are connected with a comma and a but. Now, if you took those out, we would have two separate sentences that would make sense on their own. He does not always make life easy. And then he does provide his grace. So those are two sentences that make sense by themselves. Number three, through every circumstance of life, his spirit indwells and guides his people. This is a simple sentence, okay? Don't get confused with this. Our sentence is his spirit indwells and guides his people. Now, like I said, don't get confused. Through every circumstance of life is not actually a clause because we do not have a subject and a predicate. This is more of a prepositional phrase. So this is a simple sentence. Next sentence is God's word, which contains many promises, is a source of great comfort. This is a complex sentence. So this contains one independent clause and one dependent clause. Okay? So it's God's word is a source of great comfort. That would be our independent clause. Our dependent clause would be which contains many promises, and it technically does have a predicate, which is contains, and a subject, which is which. All right, so now I want you to stop the video and go on to exercise E, lesson 18.